Katok?
Tok, tok, tok.
I-doorbell na. Gusto mong doorbell?
Tingle.
Ano?
Tingle, tingle, tingle.
Ang ina yung pintuan, may poke. Nasa niya, makantot nga. Diba yan? Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Ngayon na yung flight ko, di ba? Tama ka? Sige, magpaparibok ako. Balik ako, bye! Oo, nakita niya na nga ako. Nakatanong mo iya? Tama?
Eh, pilot. At bakit bumalik ka pa?
Sige nga, pag lumampas ka, di ka babalik. Ikong pader yun. Ilapong buka. Wala ka talagang utak.
Ay, at least, wala kong utak. Wala ka talagang mukha. Pumatok ka, maayos.
Tok, tok.
Araysa na ng pangako.
Eh, ano naman yan? Walang pakiyan.
Wow, dapat English eh, naka kasi USA ha.
Okay, why not?
English talaga ha. Your sister!
Oh, what?
Hi!
Oh my God, what's your name?
Sabi mo, USA ka galing ha.
I know!
Your sister, ay dad, he left us.
Oh my God.
You deserve it, dad.
Oh my God.
Why?
Forgive us, our
Buta.
Forgive us for the...
English dapat nag-awin ng English.
Oh wait. Oh.
What?
What happened to that? Why? Oh my God. What?
Because you.
What? No!
You're the
Bagay
reason
dyan si
why
Zay eh.
Yes, he is.
No, you!
What? You?
There.
No. This is your fault.
No, it's not my fault.
You
I'm
motherfucker.
working in USA, right?
What? USC?
Oh, USA. United Squatter Area.
This is your fault.
It's not my fault. I'm working at USA.
You're not working.
I'm working there. Is it your fault?
Fault?
Oh, it is. I got ate.
Ate, ibig sang ate.
Oh my God, 8. Oh my God. Why is this?
You are the reason behind why our daughter saying.
No! Is it your fault? Oh, no, it's not!
Is it your fault?
No, it's my fault. Para quits.
You deserve everything. You're not my real sister.
No, I'm your real sister.
You're not.
Ouch! Another ouch? Tama na yan. Ilibig na natin si Itay.
Ililibig yung wala nga tayong pera?
Eh, makain na.
Sandali, bago natin ilibig yung patay na yan. Buksan mo muna yung kabaong. Kunin mo yung kasino.
Bakit?
Sinabay ko na eh, malamig kasi dito. Bago natin na ilibig si Itay, gusto ko na po batiin natin lahat ang aming kasamahan. Palapakan naman natin ng happy birthday kay Super Tekla! Why not naman? Dahil dyan, may surprise kami sa'yo. Nandito ang pamilya mo.
Happy birthday, Tex!
Bakit natin ibang horse sa'yo para ba?
Bakit ba?
Huwag na lang.
Kandila, buron.
Ay, ito nga yung patay, naging cake.
Thank you so much for my Rockline and Punchline family. Thank you.
Family.
Family. Salamat po.
English. Kailangan English.
I would like to thank you so much for all the staff, the waiter, and all the audience. And thank you so much for visiting us here. I'm glad that I am giving a chance to perform you guys. It's such a thrill.
In short?
Yes. So thank you so much.
Bati ka kami happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Naku, abangan niyo po ito sa daigdig ng show business.
Yes.
At syempre, happy birthday, kumpare.
Oo, thank you so much.
Ba't gano'n nakakatusok yung ngipin mo?
Sir Richard, thank you po.
Palampakan naman natin once again. So, ilang taon ka na ba?
I'm 29.
Pero hindi ka sure na 29 ka.
Oo, hindi ako sure doon.
Wait
Kasi
lang.
pinaampon ako eh.
Oo, talaga.
Oo.
Pero bago yan, hipan mo muna. Kanta muna tayo lahat. Sabi, happy birthday to you. Sumayaw si Nanay Janisha. Happy birthday to you. Bish, sana magkaroon ako ng ilong na maganda. Magbakta